Hello students, let's continue with our chapter number 2, that is inside our earth. I hope you all have understood the interior of the earth. That is, the interior of the earth has three layers: crust, mantle and inner core. So today the topic which we are going to discuss is rocks and minerals. So what are rocks? Rocks are hard solid material that forms part of the surface of the earth. And minerals are the substance that is naturally present in the earth and they are not formed from animal or vegetable matter. And the examples of mineral are gold and silver. There are basically three major types of rocks. These are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are of two types: extrusive and intrusive. Extrusive means outside and intrusive means inside. So students, just look here. This is the volcano, and from the volcano, the red molten magma comes out from the interior of the earth. And when this molten lava comes on the surface of the earth, it rapidly cools down. When it comes on the surface of the earth, it cools down, and then the rocks which are formed, they are called extrusive igneous rocks. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, basalt. And when this magma cools down inside the earth crust, they are called intrusive igneous rocks. And the examples of intrusive igneous rocks are granite. And granite is also used in our kitchens also. This type of rock is used in the kitchens, for example, for making paste or powder of the spices. Second kind of rocks are sedimentary rocks. Sediment means settle down. When rocks roll down, they crack and hit each other, so they are broken into small fragments. Fragment means pieces. These small particles of rocks are called sediments, and these sediments are transported. Transported means taken, and they are deposited by wind and water, so they lose the sediments. And when these sediments are compressed, pressed and hardened, they form layers of rocks, and they are called sedimentary rocks. Examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone. Okay. The third one is metamorphic rocks. When igneous and sedimentary rocks, they change under great heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. Examples of metamorphic rocks are clay changes into slate and limestone changes into marble. Students, rocks are very useful to us. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings, and there are many stone games also. For example, you can talk to your parents or grandparents. They must have played the games like seven stones, which is called pittu, or stapu, which is called hopscotch, and five stones is gitti. Now look at these two pictures of two monuments, that is the Red Fort and the Taj Mahal. Red Fort is made up of red sandstone and Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. Students, I hope now these three kinds of rocks are understandable to you. That's all for today.